what's up everybody? It's Dr. George Kwon from Emerson Dental. So there are many toothpaste options out there, way more than we can ever give a try. You may buy one that's on sale, that may taste great, the charcoal toothpaste to really whiten your teeth, or TheraBreath to fight your bad breath. If you guys want to know that you're using the right toothpaste, or if you want to try and review different dental products out there with me, then you're at the right place. I guess this video is kind of pointless without trying them out, so let's go! Alright, I'm back. So I got all kinds of toothpaste. Let's summarize. The cheap generic brands, the one that look fancy, the one that sounds organic and healthy, the ones that sound like some medical ointment, the ones that you've seen trending on Instagram. I've got them all. So let me go over some important contents in your toothpaste. This is not a scientific symposium, so I'm not gonna go full dentist on you. If you get bored or anything like that, feel free to skip to right here. Sodium fluoride. This is available in most toothpaste nowadays. Great stuff for preventing the cavity, especially the early stage of decay. It helps strengthen the weak spots in your teeth and the exposed roots. 2. Stainless fluoride. It's a better cousin of sodium fluoride, and it has additional benefits to tooth sensitivity. 3. Potassium nitrate, which also helps with tooth sensitivity. There's just so much to cover in the science of toothpaste that it will need to be the entire Netflix documentary. Just know that if you want to be protective against tooth decay, use the one with the fluoride. If you have sensitivity due to certain triggers such as cold food, cold drinks, or even bursts of air, try the toothpaste with either stainless fluoride or potassium nitrate. So these two contents act as band-aids to cover up all these sensitive areas and limit the sensitivity. You can try Sensodyne or Pronamel. Now this is very important. If you want this at a maximum effect, do not rinse after brushing. Just spit out, no rinsing. You want this ingredient to really soak in on the teeth and as well as the gums to take the full effect. It's like marinating meat. It takes time to soak in all the flavors. Oh, okay, that was a lot of information for the first video. So I bought all these toothpaste to demo with you guys by category. The whitening toothpaste, organic healthy looking ones, fancy looking ones, and more. Up next, we got whitening toothpaste. Is it really effective? Exclamation question mark. Thanks for sticking around, guys. I hope you found this video very helpful. Please hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see whitening toothpaste in action. Stay tuned.